top weapons that may dominate future warfare. These weapons are not just upgrades of old tech, they represent paradigm shifts in how wars could be fought in the coming decades. 1. Directed energy weapons, laser weapons. What it is? High-powered lasers that can destroy drones, missiles or aircraft at the speed of light. Examples: US Navy's HELIOS system, Israel's Iron Beam. Advantages: infinite ammo as long as energy is available, cheap per shot, silent and invisible. Future use: anti-drone defense, missile interception, satellite blinding. 2. AI-controlled autonomous weapons. What it is? Killer drones, tanks or robotic soldiers powered by artificial intelligence that can select and engage targets without human input. Examples: Russia's Uran-9 robot tank, US loyal wingman drones. Advantages: faster than human reaction time, operate in dangerous areas with no risk to humans. Concerns: ethics of autonomous killing, possible Skynet scenarios. Orbital weapons, space-based weaponry. What it is? Weapons placed in space to strike targets on Earth or other satellites. Examples: hypothetical rods from God, kinetic weapons dropped from orbit, satellite lasers or microwave weapons. Advantages: global strike capability, hard to detect or stop. Future use: strategic deterrence, anti-satellite warfare. 4. Hypersonic missiles. What it is? Missiles that travel at over Mach 5 times the speed of sound, and can maneuver unpredictably. Examples: Russia's Avangard, China's DFZF, US Arrow. Advantages: too fast for current missile defense systems, can carry nuclear or conventional warheads. Impact: likely to trigger a new arms race and shift global power dynamics. 5. Swarm drones, drone armies. What it is? Hundreds or thousands of tiny drones operating together like a hive mind to overwhelm defenses. Examples: DARPA's Gremlins project, China's mass drone displays, military-grade variants possible. Advantages: cheap, flexible, hard to counter, can perform recon, attack, jam signals or block aircraft. Usage: urban warfare, stealth strikes, electronic disruption.